Hello, teenagers! Are you ready to roll safely into the future? We know how much you love cruising around on your wheels, and that's why we've teamed up to bring you some awesome tips for staying safe while enjoying all these cool ways to get around. First up, safety gear. Always protect your noggin with a helmet. It's the coolest accessory you can wear, and it keeps you safe on the streets. And don't forget to double check your ride. Always make sure your wheels are in tip-top shape, whether it's a bike, skateboard, or scooter. A quick maintenance check can save you from unexpected surprises. Whether you're on your wheels or on foot, follow the rules of the road. Look left, look right, and use crosswalks. Safety first. Stay alert. Keep your eye out for traffic, pedestrians, and other riders. Being aware of your surroundings is key to a safe and enjoyable ride. So, fellow riders, let's make our community safer and more fun. Share the road, wear your gear, and roll safe. Because when we all move together, we move forward. Stay awesome and keep rolling safely.